and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. This is my 1960s, don't know exact date yet, trying to find that out. Hoover Senior 625A. Now, as we all know, on this particular one, there's a 2-speed motor in this, and when you normally switch it on, it's the lower powered 420, whereas when you put the converter in for the tools, it ramps it up to 600 and something watts. So what I've done is I've modified it. There's a switch where you put the converter in. I've stuck it. It's now stuck. So this now does 600 watts on the motor. Sounds much more better, sounds more powerful, and grinds the carpet beautifully. It's just for a bit of fun. It's just so it sounds a bit more powerful, but a bit better. Surely I can't burn it out, I can't really ruin it by doing that, but it's just a bit of fun really. So enjoy. So there we go, thanks for watching, viewers. As you saw, much more powerful, grinded the carpet really well. You could hear the beta bar working better, and I tell you what, when I was trying to pull the suction off the carpet, when I was pulling away, it really was holding onto the carpet really strong. I think I've improved it. It picked up way better, and it really did a good job. Fantastic. So, as I say, it was only a bit of fun. You know, it's now a 600 watt motor rather than the 420 watt motor. So, yeah, I'm probably going to get some aggro through the comments for it. You know, oh, you shouldn't have done that, or you might blow it up, or it won't last as long. It's only a bit of fun. And to be fair, it's not in the best condition, so it's not one of my best. But there you go. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.